You remember that pig I told you about, the one I started my whole farm with? I think this was her 8th pregnancy, but unfortunate thing happened, and I lost the pregnancy. Not just the pregnancy. The pregnancy was even like they were just piglets like that, because they were already formed. But I got there. That was 2 months into the pregnancy. I got to the farm and I saw the pig very restless, lying down, not eating. The sow I knew her to be eating regularly and frequently. This time when I went there, she was just lying down, trying to push something out of her, but the thing was not coming out. So I observed her and I saw that no, she was about to follow, which is not time yet. So I observed her and I tried to inspect her vulva to see what was there. And just like I used my hand to open it, the piglet came out. So once the piglet came out, it was already dead. So we see the stillbirth. One happened like that. That was what, so fuck, everything is spoiling like that. So I have to monitor her and help her to bring them out peacefully. And this is also for the first time I actually inserted my hand that deep into a pig to bring out piglet. But I did it just to save the cell from dying. Okay. So washed my hand, got some slippery rubber on my hand, and I inserted it. After I washed the valve of the pig, I inserted it deeply, held the piglets, tried to arrange them so that the sow will be able to push them out. So I decided to move my hand in, shift the piglets in some angles, and also direct them with my hand. So I placed my hand this way, and then I directed the piglet's head towards my hand this way. So once the sow is like the sow is very intelligent. When I inserted my hand and like if anytime I did like I was lifting my hand up like this, she also push. So she was able to push the piglet against my palm that way directly out. And so once they get to this end, I knew that it's on track. So I just take my hand off. The piglet will come out of it. But one thing is they all died. They were 6 in number. They all died. I didn't get any of them. But I'm happy that the sow herself is doing good. She's eating well, and I've also given her some antibiotics after the incident. And in 3 days' time, I gave her some multivitamins to ensure that she's eating again, and maybe I can reservice her because I really love piglets from this sow particularly. Her piglets are always looking bigger and they look good. You understand? Compared to the other ones, they always look bigger. And the next breeding stock I have now, like I carefully selected them from her litter, so they are also two, which is something I think they are also doing good for me already. So far they have also brought 5 each, and for now I have 10 of them from this same cell. I'm happy, but it has happened. I lost the pregnancy after raising her for 2 months into the pregnancy. I lost it. All piglets came out dead. That's it. They all died. I don't really know what happened because there was no sign. She was okay until the next day I went to see her lying there like that. Alright. So I don't know if you have also encountered something like that on your farm. You can let me know and then we can learn from each other. But that happened. I lost the pregnancy.